Good morning, respected judges and dear audience. Today, I, Cadet Hans G. Gupta, representing Sainik School Nalanda, am here to speak something about a legendary man. Gentlemen, let me aware you all with a man whom I used to call a perfect dreamer. One of the famous quotation: if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. This famous quotation is quoted by a scientist, an innovator, teacher, people's president, missile man of India, or the person with the wings of fire. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a newspaper boy at childhood, later turned out to be India's president. He was the man with the number of titles in numerous fields, who received only doctorate through as many as 30 universities. The government of India also honored him with the nation's highest civilian honor, namely the Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan, and the Bharat Ratna. Dr. Kalam has written several inspirational books, most notably his autobiography, The Wings of Fire, aimed at motivating Indian youths. His probable views on certain issues has been espoused by him in his book, India 2020, in which he strongly advocates an action plan to develop into knowledge superpower and finally a developed nation. This was the biggest dream. There are some valuable life lessons which we children can learn from him, and it will surely help us to excel in our life. Always be ready for changes, for life is unpredictable. It does not always follow the path they wish. So make sure you have a plan B. When things do not go the way you thought they would be, so being creative. Creativity in children lead to a culture of excellence. Creativity, innovation, and imagination of the children can completely change the future of the country in the right direction. Gentlemen, make sure one thing crystal clear in your mind, that is, always be humble. I am repeating once again, always be humble. As we all know that how successful Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was. Have you ever noticed him being arrogant or feeling so proud? I bet that your answer will be no. Why? Because he was always passionate or humble towards the people, and that's what made him a great leader. As we all know that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is no more, and not only India but the whole world has lost the brightest of its most precious Ratnas. But remember, it's not the end. His soul wants us to come together to visualize his vision, his dream, his thoughts. His visions are still with us, and we must keep them alive. Gentlemen, remember our history. Our history indicates that we can climb the highest mountain, drive through the roughest road, sail through the bluest sky, or even sail across the roughest waters. If is only deceived being an attitude, where we will end up in the life. The most important thing is that do not allow yourself to get lost in the crowd, but get out of the crowd, step forward like our leader APJ Abdul Kalam did. As Kalam said, have the courage to think differently, courage to travel the unexplored path, courage to discover something new, and courage to conquer in order to achieve success. So let's all keep a finger crossed and hope for a better India, and not forget to dream, not the one which is seen asleep, the one that doesn't let you sleep. I conclude my speech by saying that action without vision may be a daydream, but vision without action is a nightmare. Repeating once again, action without vision may be a daydream, but vision without action is a nightmare. Don't make it a daydream nor a nightmare. Make it a reality. Thank you, and I culminate my view with this optimistic vision. Jai Hind.